So, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe AutoCAD Civil 3D Operator. So, in our previous video, we generate to you the profile elevation. So, for now, let's proceed to create a design grid elevation in this profile elevation. So now, let's start with this profile. So first, let's click this, then profile creation tools. So we see design with elevation, design profile, level set, then okay. So we saw this, no? The profile tool layouts. So please click this draw tangents. So here, click here. This is an example only, no, for design grid elevation. This example only. So wala ko gibasihan ano no. So this is the design grid elevation, the super E, no. This let's say this, then this. So click enter. So mao na ni atong design grid elevation. So let's proceed to this and this, then free vertical curves, then free parabola or PVI base. So let's click this, double click, then let's say 100. Yan. And this, let's say 120. And this let's say 100. And this, let's say 60. And this, let's say 100. Then click enter. So this is our PVI, no? Our PVI for this the profile elevation or the design grid elevation. So na-generate na nato, no? So mo ni siya. So, in order to change this existing ground elevation, so click this, then this, and profile view properties. Then we have to change the profile one, change to design grid elevation, and then click apply, then okay. So you see, no, uh, we change our existing ground elevation to design grid elevation. So you see the differentiation of the elevation of this profile.